the scientist poking around in the old stream bed in Wyoming had a feeling he would discover something exciting. Digging carefully, he began to expose an entire mummy. He began taking measurements. "Let's see now," he said to himself. "About 30 feet in height. Wait a minute, 30 feet? What kind of mummy is this? Was it the mummy of some monster?" Not exactly. What the scientist had discovered in 1908 was the mummy of a dinosaur called the duckbill. More fossil skeletons of duckbills exist than any other dinosaur, but this is the only time that a mummified duckbill has been discovered. Other scientists were excited because they now had evidence of what dinosaur skins looked like. What did the duckbill look like? It was the size of an elephant and was shaped like a very large kangaroo. It also had thick, heavy hind legs, small arms with webbing between the fingers, and a long tail that helped it swim. The duckbill got its name from its mouth, which resembled a duck's beak. Inside the mouth were more than 2,000 small teeth, which the dinosaur used to grind food. It ate plants. The duckbill was a slow-moving, peaceful animal that lived mainly on water where it looked for food. Sometimes it would stand upright to see if any enemies were nearby. If they appeared, the duckbill would head for safety of deep water where its enemies would not follow. The mummy duckbill that had become mummified must have died of natural causes because there were no wounds on the body. Eventually, the hot sun dried its body in much the same way that it turned a grape into a raisin. Soon the shriveled remains were covered with water in which there were sand and clay. These minerals formed a mold around the animal's body and slowly hardened into stone over a period of many centuries. While none of the original skin was left, the stone preserved a perfect imprint of it. This imprint shows that the duckbill's skin looked like the surface of a golf ball.